说中文。
ChinesePod, ChinesePod, ChinesePod. That's the way to learn Chinese. ChinesePod, ChinesePod, ChinesePod. That's the way to learn Chinese.
Hello, newbies. This is ChinesePod coming to you from Shanghai, China. My name is Ken.
And I'm Jenny.
What are we talking about today, Jenny?
Oh, we have some rainy weather today.
Rainy weather. Good. How do you say the word rain in Chinese?
Well, to rain is 下雨,下雨.
And that's a verb, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And that literally means down rain. That's how you say it's raining or to indicate the verb to rain in Chinese.
Yes.
Okay, good. So why don't we listen to this dialogue 3 times and then we'll come back and we'll take it apart.
Sure. Dialogue first time.
下雨了，
你有伞吗？
没有。
啊，雨停了，太好了。Second time.
下雨了，
你有伞吗？
没有。
啊，雨停了，太好了。Third time.
下雨了，
你有伞吗？
没有。
啊，雨停了，太好了。Now let's do the translations.
Yeah.
下雨了，
It's raining.
下雨了，
It's raining.
下雨了。你有伞吗？
Do you have an umbrella?
你有伞吗？
Do you have an umbrella?
你有伞吗？没有，
No.
没有，
No.
没有。雨停了，太好了。
Okay, the rain has stopped. That's great.
雨停了，太好了。
The rain stopped. Great.
雨停了，太好了。
Okay, good. We won't overanalyze this stuff because it's nice chunks of language.
Yes.
So let's start with the top now. So the expression is, it's raining.
下雨了，下雨了。
Now, there are 3 elements in this. Just briefly, could you tell us about those 3, please, Jenny?
Well, 下 means down,
Yeah,
the 4th tone.
yeah.
下 and 雨 third tone means rain,
Rain.
as in the noun.
Yeah,
And 下雨, we just said it means to rain.
to rain.
And this little particle 了 indicates that something has already taken place.
So it has started, in other words.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, in other words, that's the way to say it's raining right now.
下雨了，下雨了。
Good. The obvious question if you're outdoors and it starts to rain is, do you have an umbrella? Let's hear that.
你有伞吗？你有伞吗？
Now, the word for umbrella is
伞，
san.
伞。
That sounds like a 3rd tone, actually, doesn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yes, okay, san.
伞。
And so let's take the rest of the sentence. Now, literally it is, you have umbrella, question mark. So let's hear that.
你有伞吗？你有伞吗？
So the word for you is,
你
and the verb to have is,
有
and as we said, umbrella.
伞
And finally, we have the particle to indicate it's a question.
吗？
So there you have it. Do you have an umbrella?
你有伞吗？你有伞吗？
Great. Now, in this case, when you answer a question with yo, the verb to have in it, the negative is
没有，没有。
没有. I don't have.
Exactly.
Yeah. Do you have an umbrella? No, I don't. Or just no.
没有.
没有. Very common word, of course. 没有 can be used in a million situations. Yeah.
And of course, the positive would be 有.
有. All right. And then at the end, of course, we have some good news because the rain stopped.
雨停了. 雨停了.
Yeah. We had the word for rain, which is
雨. 雨.
yeah. And the verb to stop is
停.
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 Now, and we have this la, this particle again, and it indicates that something has already happened. In this case, the rain has already stopped.
Yes. 雨停了. 雨停了.
And so the last part, we have an expression when something's great or fantastic. You just say
太好了. 太好了.
太好了. Great. So she's happy about the rain stopping, of course.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good. So let's listen to that 3 more times.
Welcome back to another installment of ChinesePod Trivia. And the question for you is, for what test does ChinesePod offer preparation services for? Is it A, the polygraph, B, the colonoscopy, C, the HSK test, or D, the CAT scan?
The CAT scan?
Ooh, sorry, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, the HSK test. That's right, ChinesePod will thoroughly prepare you to pass this rigorous test of proficiency in Chinese. ChinesePod.com/HSK.
Dialogue first time.
下雨了，
你有伞吗？
没有，
啊，雨停了，太好了！
Second time.
下雨了，
你有伞吗？
没有，
啊，雨停了，太好了！
Third time.
下雨了，
你有伞吗？
没有，
啊，雨停了，太好了！
A couple of things here, Jenny. We've actually described the word umbrella with one word. We called it a
伞.
san, third tone. Well, you can use 2 elements and you can call it the
雨伞.
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 So the yu indicates the rain and the san indicates the
Umbrella.
the cover. Yeah, yeah. Good. So tell us a little bit about these words. Also, the characters are quite interesting. The character for the word down, for example.
下. 下.
And it kind of looks like it when you see the character. It kind of
Yeah.
indicates, it indicates something moving down.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also 雨,
Yeah, for rain.
the
yeah.
character, it literally has 4 drops of rain.
That's right.
It has 4 drops in the character.
Yeah, yeah. Easy enough to remember that one. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also 伞.
San.
Now, doesn't it just look like an umbrella?
Yeah, it actually does. Yeah. So those are really interesting characters and good mnemonics to remember them. Yeah.
Yes.
Good, good, good. We hope that was useful, and don't forget to bring your yusan if it's looking cloudy today. However, we'll be back tomorrow with another lesson, but right now it's time to say
再见.
再见.
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number
1259.
So just go to www.chinesepod.com/1259
1259.
and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/1259.
1259.